Okay, guys, we're going to Ask Scruff, and it's for Ryan. Salute to you. And it's one of those questions that, again, trading in general is subjective, whether you like it or not. But this one definitely is. Market sentiment. Do you do much with it? Short answer is no. I know you mentioned investing.com and the analysis shows strong buys, strong sells, etc. But is that just a generic market saying lining up with traders? I want to mention this because 80% of traders are wrong. Is it best to look at those figures with a pinch of salt? And the answer to that is yes. If you're swing trading, you've kind of got to take little bits of fundamental into it because you want to be aligning with the trend. So there's a little element to that. But it's the age-old saying, show me the chart and I'll tell you the news. I don't care about the news. I don't care about sentiment. Nothing. I'll go into the market neutral on a morning. So I haven't got a bias one way or the other. And then I do multi-time frame analysis from the top to the bottom. And you've seen me do it 101 times. The chart will tell me what I need to know. Now, I start encompassing into that strength because I want to know if the product that I'm trading, normally I'm a pound trader, so I really want to see what the pound's doing against other markets to just help gauge what I'm up to. But ultimately, the chart is what tells me what I'm up to. So when I listen to squawk boxes, things like that, all I need to know is if there's a news event coming. If there's a news event coming, I'll either stay out of it or I'll protect an asset that I already have in place. And it's that simple. My preferred method is to stay out and trade the aftermath. I never try and predict it. When it comes to sentiment of the market, so many times everything tells you to buy it and the market has other ideas. But if you've done a proper analysis, again, a little bit like what we did this morning, most of the time it plays out. In fact, 9 times out of 10, it does play out the way that I see it. Hence my 90% hit rate. And that's it. Most traders are wrong because they gamble and they try to overthink what's going on. You can't. Unless you were in the room, you have no idea what the decision is made and you have no idea how much an order is going into the market. None. Zero. Because if a big trader is staging in, you don't know how far he's staging in and how much that's going to be at all. So the only thing you can do is trade what you see. Look at your chart, break it down fully, and let the chart tell you what's going on. Nobody else. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.